Have you ever wondered how these tiny green leaves become nature's own power plants? Well, today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating processes on Earth, that is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. The plant draws up water, H2O, through its roots. The leaves take in CO2 from the air. The leaves trap energy from sunlight. The plant uses the energy of sunlight to turn water, H2O, and CO2 into sugars and oxygen, O2. The plant releases oxygen, oxygen 2, into the air. The plant uses sugars for growth. Curious to know more about how plants, space, and science are all connected? Subscribe us on more adventures where we explore the wonders of our world and beyond. See you next time, explorers.